After making hundreds, if not thousands of Solana trading meme coins, I have finally decided to switch over to Axiom Pro, and I instantly saw results with some high P&Ls. The best part is their reward system where you earn a huge cashback in Solana for trading on the platform. You could easily passively be making 10 to 50 Solana depending on your trading amount every single month by using the Axiom link in this video description and comment section. You actually earn a higher reward tier and higher cashback rewards, while also getting a major reduction in all of your trading fees on the platform. So this video will focus on my Axiom Pro setup, which will help you make these trades and spot these coins early in their trend. All of my secret filters will be shared with you later on in the video, so stay tuned until the end. I'll also help you to set up the trading platform to make your trading experience smooth and the transition over to this new platform as easy as possible. This is crucial to profitable meme coin trading, so let's jump straight into the video. The first step is to sign up to Axiom Pro. Use the link in the video description to get extra rewards, extra trading discounts. So let's go ahead and I'll show you step by step how to do that. We'll begin by clicking start trading, and my code will already be in. Then we'll need to enter our email. You can sign up with Google or even connect your Phantom wallet. So I went ahead and entered my email address. I'll go ahead and sign up. You now will need to enter the 6-digit code that Axiom has sent you. Go ahead and paste that in. Then we'll create a password for this account, and now we're signed up. Next, you'll be given your recovery key. Make sure to note this down and never share this with anybody. We're now shown our Solana wallet, where we can go ahead and deposit Solana to begin trading on Axiom. So I'm going to send myself some Solana from my previous wallets like BullX, Photon, and go ahead and trade here. Now you see you're given 2 extra rewards, which is double what you'd normally be given. So make sure to use that link. Once you have some Solana in your wallet, it will now pop up here. Now we can go ahead and familiarize ourselves with Axiom Pro. One of the first things we can focus on is at the bottom here, it's shown our active wallets. We also have access to the wallet tracker where we can begin adding wallets. We can paste in literally thousands of wallets to begin tracking them live here, seeing all the particular trades they're taking. So there's a lot of benefits to that. We can make it bigger and smaller. We can actually drag it around the screen. I like to keep it on this right-hand side. And we can actually easily add specific addresses right here. So if you found a trader that's making a lot of money, you can go ahead and add his address, add the wallet address, even give him a specific name, and we'd be able to follow along with all of their trades. We can click on the live trade tab and see all of their live transactions. So if they are taking any trades, we'd be able to see them directly right here. We also have the Twitter tracker, so we can add some specific Twitter handles like Elon Musk or some of the top Twitter handles for meme coins. We can go ahead and have all of their tweets popping up instantly right here, which is very, very useful. To customize the tracker and add specific handles, we'll go over to the tracker tab, and then right here we can see our Twitter alerts. Go over to customize feed, and here I have all of my favorite Twitter handles that I'm following that give some of the best information instantly and can be very, very useful for meme coin trading. So you can go ahead and actually add those handles in right here. Go ahead and click add handle and then enter their username really simply. We also have the P&L tracker, so we can click that right here and see our current balance and our current P&L. We can move that around the screen or even make it bigger or smaller, so we can leave that up right here. We also have the current price in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, which is really useful. So if we see the price of Solana really pushing up, makes sense that we could find some meme coins with some big opportunities. Or also, if we see the price of Solana tanking, could also mean that we're not going to find as many opportunities right now. We have connection is stable, and we can also select the specific server we want to connect to. So if we're in Asia or EU, or the US. One cool feature as well is this watch list, where we can actually add all of the biggest runners for, say, the last 24 hours. So some of these coins actually were big runners and we can instantly click on them. Now come over and see exactly how they're trending. This coin actually made a huge run. We could come over and see, is there any more opportunities really, really quickly. We can see right now it's actually down trending. How you'd actually add a new meme coin to your watch list. You can go ahead and click on any coin, and then right at the top right section here, we can go ahead and add it to watch list. And we see right now it's actually popped up right here, up 100%. The two sections of Axiom Pro where you're going to spend the most amount of time is on this Discover tab and also the Pulse tab. Now this Discover tab, I have some very specific filters that are very, very useful for meme coin trading and have actually given me a lot of success lately. And I'll be sharing those a little bit later on in the video. A lot of people like to focus on this Pulse tab. Let's go ahead and actually show you how we can display it the best way right now. So we'll click on the settings and I'll show you exactly how I'm actually displaying it. So we go ahead and actually customize the specific rows. You can pause the video right here and copy the exact settings that I'm also using. One thing that I also like to use is change this over from progress bar to progress ring. You can see when it's in this progress bar, it's actually around this square and it's a little bit hard to see. We'll go ahead and change this over to progress ring. We can see it's much easier to see when it's about to hit its bonding curve. We can then customize our quick buy settings. So let's put this at 0.25 Solana. And then instantly you can see we'd be able to enter into any trade just by clicking this button for our quick buy settings. Next thing you will want to do is come over to this cog, come over to the preset settings and go ahead and actually change our buy and sell settings. So here are my settings that I use. I actually have slippage at 25%. Also have my priority fee at 0.018. You can increase this a little bit more, but I really like this priority setting. Also have my bribe setting, and I do tick MEV reduction because this will ensure that there's not trading bots looking to scalp my trade. So including this and having a very small bribe is definitely smart. So we can go ahead and continue to save that and also change over our sell settings as well. So we can change this to also 25%, 0.018. And also for the bribe fee plus introducing our MEV reduction, go ahead and click continue. And we've now saved those settings. You can even have different presets. So we can go ahead, depending on the specific market cap that you're trading. If you're trading lower market cap coins in the 15, 20, 25,000 market cap, you might need a little bit more slippage. So we might increase this to something like 40%. But then for larger market cap coins, something in the 100, 200, 300,000 market cap, 25% slippage would definitely be absolutely fine. If you have a normal trading balance of a few Solana and every time you're entering into a trade for at least 1 Solana, these priority fees, bribe fees, and slippage fees are absolutely fantastic. But if you are trading with a smaller trading account, you will need to slightly decrease these priority fees, maybe even put 10% of what is currently set at, to put at 0.0018. We can see at the bottom, Axiom tells us what the expected gas fee should be. And I have set that right now to around what their expected gas fee is set at. So if you are entering into a trade for a few Solana, then these settings are optimal. But if you're trading with a much smaller balance, you'll notice that if you're only entering in for 0.1 Solana per trade, that these fees will eat up a large percentage of your trading balance. So depending on our trading amount, we will need to set our fees accordingly. When I'm ready to begin trading a token, I leave my Twitter alerts open so I can keep track of all of the latest information coming through. The best thing to do is scroll down, click on instant trade. This will pop up this screen here where we're able to instantly buy into this coin. So rather than having to come in and mark it and enter the amount and then go ahead and click back over to the sell tab, instantly right here, we have access to our buy. We can also sell in individual amounts. So we can go ahead and customize this by clicking on the edit preset. We can change all of these numbers. So I've gone ahead and put 0.1, 0.25, 0.5, and 1 Solana. And also for the sell, I really like to do 5%, 10%, 25%, and 100%. The reason that's so useful is that once we do get a runner, I really like to sell in small chunks. As we double in price, sell 10%, sell 10%, sell another 25%, and then finally end off with 100% on my position. So having these settings is really useful. We can even go ahead and edit all of our presets as well. So we can change from preset 1 to preset 2, over to preset 3, again, depending on the specific coin and market cap that we are trading. Once you have entered into a trade, you'll be given all the information like the exact amount of dollars that you bought for, the the exact amount once you sold, how many you're currently holding, and your total profit right now. One thing that I do like as well is this token information, where we're able to see the current top 10% of holders, if the developer is holding any tokens, how many snipers currently hold, the percent of insiders, bundlers, and also is the liquidity pool burnt, how many traders are currently holding the token as well. Here I just entered into a trade to be able to show you these settings in Axiom. We can go ahead and change the chart theme settings. We can show your average buy and average sell line. You can turn these off if you don't want to see them on the chart, but I really like to see them. And you can also customize the specific color. And you can see right here, my average cost basis, it tells me 319,000 market cap is when I bought. And also I'm given all the information like the exact amount I've bought for, if I'm still holding, if I've sold, and my current profit and loss. We can go ahead and actually sell. I'll sell 100% of my position right now. And then you can also see my current average exit price. We can see what we bought for, what we sold for, and we made a 1% profit. And for taking that trade, we just received 0.1 Solana in bonuses from Axiom. Now, if you didn't want to use the instant trade settings, we also have access to limit orders where we could easily enter into trades at the specific amount that we wanted. So say we've already seen a bit of a pump on this coin. If we wanted to enter, we could actually drag our limit order down to the exact area that we wanted to buy. And then we can go ahead and enter the amount of Solana we wanted to enter for. And very similarly, once we were ready to sell, we could put our target sell order and wait for price to be hit. Once price is hit, our limit order is entered into the market and we're exited out of our trade. So it's really easy to market enter or also limit trade. Now for the best part of the video, and what I'm sure you've all been waiting for, is here in the Discover tab. I'm going to show you all of my best filters to find trending meme coins right now, and you can use it at any point in time. So we'll go ahead and click on the filters tab, and now go ahead and pause the video and copy all of my settings. I set the minimum liquidity at $9,000. I set the minimum volume in dollar value at 5,500. The minimum market cap at 6,500. I'll put a really large maximum like 90 million. And then for minimum transactions, I put a minimum of 80. Once you've done that, hit apply. And now where we see 1 minute, 5 minute, 30 minute, and 1 hour, go ahead and click on the 1 minute tab. And now we're instantly seeing the most highest volume coins in the last 1 minute that have some big potential to begin trending. We can go ahead and actually begin opening up some of these coins to see where they are in the trend and if they have any potential for us to begin trading right now. Begin on the 1 minute chart. We can just begin to open. We're probably a little bit too late to this one. Okay, here we're finding one that's making those continuous moves to the upside. Here could be a very profitable trade. Here I found one trending coin that literally launched just 10 minutes ago. Seems to be massively trending and actually popped up in my Axiom filters. We can see it right here. Even we have the potential to open up the website and go through the social medias right now. I'm actually expecting this coin to push well above this old all-time high. I really love using these specific filters because I can come in at any time of the day and be looking to find these top trending meme coins. So I come back at the top US time, top European time, top Asia time, and I'm able to instantly track what are people trading, what has the highest volume, what has the highest amount of transactions, what has the best potential to be trading right now in meme coins. And when using these filters, you definitely have to be careful of some rugs. Like we can actually see this coin right here at a 8 million market cap, but we can see the liquidity at 80,000 and the current volume at 30,000. So that doesn't make any sense for a coin that's currently nearly at an $8 million market cap. So there are things to look out for, that you can't just go ahead and click on any of these trending coins. There are some very key pieces of information to look out for. Even this one with $1 million in market cap, 60,000 in volume. We can go ahead and open up this coin. Even there, definitely this is not the type of chart, but instantly we know what we're looking to trade. We can go back and now find the next trending coin. So here with these filters, we're able to find the most trending coins within the last minute or even 5 minutes. We're able to find ones with a high amount of volume and also a high amount of liquidity. We could also sort by volume, so that might be a great indicator to see which coins have the most amount of buying volume right now. So in the last 1 minute, this coin has $63,000 in volume. We could change over to 5 minutes and then see that this coin has $200,000 in volume. Some of these coins are going to be rugged, so we do need to be careful. But the best thing about all these filters is we find the best trending coins right now. So we could go ahead and use this in the US session, the EU session, the Asia session. At any times of the day, we come and we find what the best coins in the last 5 minutes or even the last 1 minute are. And even here, we know if we've been meme coin trading for a while, what kinds of charts we don't want to see. So this is definitely a potential rug. We could even confirm down here, going down to the token information, we see that bundlers hold 75% of this coin. Definitely not something we want to see. Definitely probably an insider coin. So we'll go ahead and move on and find the next trending meme coin using the best filters that have helped me make money in this meme coin market. So there we have it. I've shown you how to set up from start to finish your own Axiom Pro account and get all the benefits, get 100% rewards, get massive discount on all of your trading fees. So make sure to use that link in this video description. Showing you from start to finish my full trading strategy, the filters that I use, how to set up your chart to actually look exactly like mine and make it as easy as possible to begin trading meme coins. If you have enjoyed today's video, please smash the like and subscribe because I'll be seeing you in the next one.